In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you're probably not making any money online. But don't worry, you'll be able to change that after watching this video. Alright, so after being in the whole make money online game for several years, there are some things that I realized that are keeping people from actually being successful with making any money online. So I'm about to share with you my top 3 reasons why people fail to make money online. The first reason is they keep jumping from opportunity to opportunity, right? And I understand it at first, right? When you first wake up and you realize, like, I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to make money online. And then you start doing all your little Google searches. You start to realize, like, damn, I can sell on eBay. I can do drop shipping. I could be an affiliate marketer. I could be a YouTuber. I could be a freelancer. So now you just so excited, you start dibbling in this. Yeah, it's a little too difficult. So then you move to this opportunity. It's not going well. So then you jump to this. You see a new program. You see another course, right? Next thing you know, it's been 6 months and you ain't made a damn dollar, right? But it's all right, right? What you need to do is focus in. I know it's kind of difficult, especially getting started, but pick a few things that really interest you. Pick some things that you really feel like I can really work this. I'm very interested in it. I'm focused. I'm determined. And narrow. Once you get 3-4 things down, then narrow that down to 1. Just start with 1 opportunity. Now, in the future, you might be working 2 or 3 opportunities at the same time. But when you're just getting started, or if you're struggling because you're doing too much, narrow it down to 1 opportunity. Now that 1 opportunity might be, selling on eBay, right? If that's what you feel comfortable with, then rock that. Go hard with the eBay thing. Or maybe you are into affiliate marketing, right? If you need to get a course, get 1 course or whatever, or however you want to learn affiliate marketing, but focus on affiliate marketing. All right. Same thing with YouTube. You want to be a YouTuber, go all in on YouTube. 1 thing. Too many people, they come in and they got all this energy, but they get burnt out because they're trying to do too many things. And then when none of them starts producing money, they just quit. And that doesn't have to be you. Damn it, don't let that be you. Reason number 2 why you're probably not making any money online yet is because you're not consistent. All right. Now look, anytime you get an opportunity, you get excited, and mainly you get excited because of the earning potential that's associated with the opportunity you're doing. Whether it be, like I said, eBay, affiliate marketing, network marketing, YouTube, you see all of these numbers, right? But a lot of times people don't realize the effort that it takes to actually start making money with these opportunities, right? A lot of these people, when they're to get successful, you got to put that work in. Right? You might gotta, post, 50 YouTube videos, right? You might gotta post, 20 items on eBay. You really gotta do some hours of research when it comes to drop shipping or whatever you're trying to do. And a lot of people, they jump right into these opportunities and, they good for like 2-3 days, maybe even a week. They're like all in it. The next thing you know, it'd be a whole nother week went by and they haven't done anything related to that opportunity, right? They're eBay. They haven't even been on eBay in a week, right? They haven't even posted a YouTube video in a week. And then they're like, damn, I ain't making no money. This whole make money online thing is trash. It's a scam. No, you need to be more consistent. So whatever opportunity that you decide to get involved with, set some sort of schedule. Remember, this is an opportunity. This is your life, your online business, your future, your grind, right? So whatever opportunity you're working with, set some time aside. Trust me, you have to do this. Set some time aside dedicated to your opportunity, right? So eBay, dropshipping, affiliate marketing. How are you going to work this? Are you going to do it just on the weekends, right? Maybe Saturday, Sundays where you dedicate, yourself to your opportunity, right? So maybe on Saturday you put in 2 hours. Sunday you put in 2 hours. That's 4 hours in a week. That's better than nothing. You can get a lot done in 4 hours if you're focused and really in tune in what you're doing and know what you need to be doing, right? Or you can go the other way. Maybe you go Monday through Friday. You put an hour in every day, dedicated hour to your opportunity, whatever it is, and you stick to it, right? Maybe you do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 2 hours on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday dedicated to your business. But whatever your schedule is, you have to stick with it and make sure there's some sort of consistency. So if it's, on the weekends, then you make sure every damn weekend you doing what you need to do. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, get it in. And the third reason why you're probably not making any money online yet is because you don't have real goals. What I mean by that is sometimes people get so excited about a new opportunity and just making money online, period. They just lose focus, right? But they don't have a real financial goal in mind. Do you want to make an extra $500 a month? Or do you want to make an extra $5,000 a month? Do you want to make $10,000 a month? You need to have some sort of goal that you really want to hit. Why this is important? Because it will actually help you with the other two problems that you may be having. Because if you have that goal, this will help you, zoom in on, what program you really want to work, right? Going back to the first reason why you might be failing, because you keep hopping around from thing to thing. If you have a goal, that should help you zoom in and be like, okay, I think YouTube can help me reach that goal. So I need to focus on YouTube. I think affiliate marketing can help me reach my financial goal. So I can focus in on that. Or eBay. eBay would be the best bet to help me hit my financial goal, right? Now, if you have a financial goal, this will help you with your consistency, because remember, you got a goal. So now that should motivate you to be like, ooh, I'm trying to hit 5,000 a month. I need to stick with my Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Or I need to stick with my weekends that I put in this effort to hit my financial goal, because I know the number that I need to hit. And this should be very motivating to you, right? So having a set goal is I feel very important to do. And I think having a goal will really help you to actually start making your first dollar online or your first $100 online or whatever it may be. Having goals is very, very important. So these are 3 reasons that you're probably not making money online, but now you know exactly what you need to do to correct these things and actually start making money online. So if you want to check out my top 3 online business opportunities, you can do so by checking the description or the pinned comment of this video. And remember, there's money to be made.